Hello and welcome to Hilton Asphalt Paving Tips. Today we will be talking about choosing the right asphalt paving contractor. Specifically, how long has the company been in business? This is important because some companies say they have 30 years experience, but may only have been in business for 1 year. This company is telling the truth, but the information is misleading. A company that has been in business for 30 years has a proven track record. They have been around through good and tough times and will be there to support you if there are any issues. What to look for in a solid asphalt paving contractor. Look for in a business since 1986. A company that has used the same company name for 30 years. A company that provides an office, a location, and not a P.O. box. This tells the consumer that we've been around for a long time. You can find us, and we will continue to support you. Thank you for listening, and please check out our other videos at Hilton Asphalt Paving Tips. Here's our contact information. Email info@hiltongroup.ca. Phone number 416-241-1733. Website www.hiltonasphaltpaving.com, and you can follow us on Instagram at Hilton Asphalt Paving.